Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to link Google Ads account to your YouTube channel. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Settings. Click on Channel. Go to Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down to Google Ads account linking section. Click on Link Account button. Here you need to enter a name for your link and your Google Ads customer ID. Open a new tab and log into your Google Ads account. At the top right corner of the page, you can find your customer ID. Copy and paste it here. Select the data you would like to share with the Google Ads account. Click Done to save the changes. Click Save. That's it. Settings is saved. Now go back to your Google Ads account. Hit refresh. Click on Notifications. You can find a notification to link your YouTube account. Click on the View button to proceed. Click on View Request. Click Approve. Now go back to your YouTube settings page and hit refresh. Navigate to the Advanced Settings page to view the status. As you can see, Google Ads account has been linked. This is how you can link Google Ads account to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.